everyone, it's Sangeeta. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So guys, it's already winter and at this time our skin becomes very rough, dry and dull, and those of you having dry skin suffers the most. But don't worry guys, in this video I'm going to share with you my day and night time skincare routine for this winter season. So if you want to know how to get healthy, glowing and soft skin in winter time, then please keep watching. In the daytime routine, we need to follow 6 steps: face wash, face scrub, toner, moisturizer, sunscreen and lip balm. So the first step is face wash. So I am using Nivea Honey face wash. It is very good for dry skin. If you wash your face with this, your skin will be highly moisturized. So dry skin people must try this product. Second step is face scrub. So I am using Biotique Papaya Tan Removal Scrub. You know guys, Biotique products are very effective and this tan removal scrub is very good. It works very well. So I am using it on my face and neck. You can also use it on your hand if you want. You must follow this step once in a month. Third step is toning. So I'm using Good Vibes Rose Water. You can also use normal rose water. Normal rose water also works very well as a toner. Fourth step is moisturizing. So I'm using Nykaa Apricot Cold Pressed Oil. Fifth step is sunscreen. So I'm using Lotus sunscreen. This is very important step. You need to apply sunscreen when you go outside. And last step is lip balm. So I'm using my all-time favorite Nykaa Macron Green Apple Lip Balm. So daytime routine is done and now you can go outside. You can also apply light makeup if you want to. Now time to nighttime skincare. So in this routine we need to follow 6 steps: cleansing, lip scrub, face wash, toner, face serum, lip balm. So first step is cleansing. I am using coconut oil to clean my whole face. You must also clean your face if you are without makeup. This step is very important as it cleanses all the dirt presence on your face, be it makeup or without makeup. You must follow this step. Second step is lip scrub. So I am using Alana Choco Nutty lip scrub to exfoliate my lips. You can follow this step twice a week. Third step is face wash. In this step I am following the same process which I have done during the daytime routine. Fourth step is toning. Here also I am following the same process like the daytime routine. Fifth step is face serum. So I am using Mamaearth Castor Cold Pressed Oil. Sixth and the last step is lip balm. I am using the same product as used earlier during the daytime routine. You must apply the lip balm daily. Now you can see the skin has become soft and glowy. If you follow all these steps daily, then you will surely find some improvement on your skin. Thanks for watching guys, and I really hope this video will be helpful for you. If you follow this routine regularly, then you can definitely see changes on your skin, and it is not necessary that you have to use the products which I am using. You can use the products which suits you the best, but you must follow all the steps which I have shown. Anyways, I am recommending all these products which I am using in this video only for those who are having dry skin, so you can check the links below in the description. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and like this video. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back in my next video. Love you guys and take care. Bye bye.